Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how can you find penny items in Walmart. So without further ado, let's begin. First, we're going to head straight for the clearance sections. That means end caps, back aisles, and those random shelves with leftover holiday or seasonal stuff. Now, we're going to open our Walmart app and make sure the location services are on. Hit the barcode scanner in the app and start scanning those clearance stands. The items we are looking for are especially those that are dusty, off-season, or oddly priced. Now, if an item scans for $0.01, bingo, that's a penny item. These are usually products Walmart has stopped carrying and should have been pulled, but sometimes they slip through the cracks. Find one, stay calm, and check nearby shelves for more of the same product. Sometimes there's a hidden stash. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!